Hello everyone, it's me Maxi again and welcome back to my channel. For today's video po guys ay gumawa kami ni nanay ng sinaging. Ito po ay suman na gawa sa cassava with banana. Yan, suman at saging pinaghalo. So guys, ito naman po ay kakaiba or naibang recipe na gamit ang balanghoy or cassava. But actually guys, ito ay niluluto or ginagawa namin ito sa probinsya nung mga bata pa kami. Kasi pag marami kayong tanim na balanghoy at saging, talagang makakaisip kayo ng iba't ibang mga menu o recipe para dito. So ito na po ang ating kasaba. Dala po yan ng aking ate at ito naman po ang saging bigay ng aking kuya. Pinadala nila sa aking ate. Sila na naghati dito. So thank you kuya sa sa saging at ate naman sa balanghoy. So ito naman po ay nabalatan na at ito akin ang sisimulang kayo din. So manually grated lang po ito guys kasi mahasil na kung dadalhin ko pa ito sa palengke. Medyo mabigat din po bitbitin ito kaya minanumano ko na siyang kudkudin. Yan po, I asked the help of my youngest son para videohin ako. Ayan. So, please keep watching po. Thank you. Smell egg ka pa. Di ko pa na-take about.
Ito na?
Yet. Make it 1 minute.
Oh my!
Finish this.
Finishing that's taking so long.
Don't move that video, the cell phone.
I'm supposed to scratch it then. It's so big.
Don't move.
Mama, it's so big. Can you show me?
Little bit na lang. Don't move. Steady lang yung hand mo. I will make it fast, okay?
Okay.
Okay, that's enough na, my love. At ito naman po ang dinurog na saging na saba. I used 5 pieces of saging na saba at ito na po siya, dinurog na. And after po makayod, mag-grate ng ating cassava, pinigaan po ito para matanggal yung kanyang natural na katas. At hindi naman po totally tuyo. Medyo kunting basa pa rin yung cassava. Then i-mix na natin yung dinurog na saging. Yan, nahalo na po yan. It is a mixture na po ito ng cassava and banana. Then, syempre po, titimplahan na natin ito. Of course, lagyan na natin ito ng sugar. Yan. Sugar po according to our taste. Kung mahilig tayo sa matamis, then medyo tamisan dahil ang cassava ay it needs more sugar talaga yan. Pero kung ayaw mo naman ng matamis, so wag masyadong damihan. And then, para mas malasa pa, nilagyan po namin ito ng condensed milk. Yeah, condensed milk. Para hindi masyadong matubig. Wag po yung evap. Kasi ang evap is lalo po itong magiging matubig. Hindi mahirap po balutin. And hindi ko po na-videohan dito. I put coconut milk. Yung pure coconut milk. Yung unang piga. Hindi rin po madami. And we add also vanilla dito. Then now, we start wrapping na. So, nag-video ako and then si nanay ang nag-wrap because she is very expert in wrapping this kind of kakanin. So, di naman yan masyado madami. Isang lagayan lang yan na ganyan. At ayan po, kunti na lang. Mabilis po si Mother Buyag mag-wrap. Yan. So, after wrapping the suman, we have to steam it for 30 to 45 minutes. Pag naka 30 minutes na, we have to lower the flame ng ating gas, ng ating kalan. So, after 45 minutes, ayan, luto na po siya. Ayan. Luto na siya, kaya malapit na tayong makakain. So, ayan po, nakahain na ang ating sinaging. Suman balanghoy with saging. Kaya tinawag siya sa aming mga Bisaya na sinaging. Yan po guys, and it's ready for Taste, taste, taste! By the way po, kung meron po kayong sariling tanim ng cassava at may saging pa dyan sa mga bandang probinsya, at kung kayo naman ay nakatira sa city at may nabibili kayong mga ganitong agricultural product, then masipag kayong kumain na ganitong kakanin like me, then you can try this also. May recipe na rin po ako ng suman balanghoy with chocolate, yun yung lidgid o iraid. Meron din po akong na-upload na suman balanghoy with yung may buko, yung kulay puti, yung halawa lang siya ng buko. Tawagin sa aming mga Bisaya ay inahog. At ito naman po ay saging, kasaba with saging. At meron pa rin pa akong recipe ng balanghoy, yung banana kasaba, yung irarap ang banana ng cassava din ipa-fried. So, marami po talagang magagawang recipe pag mahilig kang magluto sa balanghoy at sa saging. So, guys, ito na po ang ating sinaging. Kumakain na po ako ito and I hope na mabigyan ko kayo isa-isa, but malayo naman kasi and we're just virtually, kaya salamat na lang po sa inyong panunood. Thank you so much for always supporting me and my channel. And thank you for sa aking mga members and new members and mga super chatters for all your support. Thank you so much po. Kain tayo. Suman na balanghoy with saging. Ang tawag nito sa amin ay sinaging. Saging at balanghoy, sinaging. Sarap. Partner sa kape.
He was about to teach little boy a lesson when a delivery woman stopped him. She bought the candy cane for the little boy, and he hugged her and called her mama. But the woman said that she had never had a child. At that moment, the customer called for an order. So the woman left her phone number for the boy and left. But the boy didn't want to give up. So he called the woman, told her that he had been taken away by a stranger. So the delivery woman rushed to the villa just as she
opportunity to give thanks and to shout out my recent super chatters and new members. Sisters Ano and Suji, thank you sis. Choi Vlog Unlimited, Ma'am Saved, Sister Juhi's Kitchen and Recipes, Sister Sharda Bhakti and her husband Mr. Jamadagni, thank you for your generosity. Sister Gardening My Soul, thanks for joining my channel. And Brother SFA Muzaffar, thank you. Sister Anan Suji again. Sister Sharda Bhakti, very generous guys, please connect to them. Brother DSNH Vlog, thanks for joining my channel. Brother Anupa Mishra, thank you brother. Sister PSN Recipes and Try Vlog Unlimited. Ma'am Viuli Kambal, Ma'am Viuli Lopez, thank you. Sister PSN Recipes and Thai, thank you. Sister Suji, Ano and Suji, yan, mahilig po yan siya. Generous, very generous. Sister Sharda Bhakti, Sisikoy April, thank you. Sister Gina, thank you. Sister Sudish Diswal, Sister Sharda again. Yan. Thank you so much for your generosity, Brother Anupam. Sister Himakali Vlogger 77, thank you sis. Life Abria, Proud Inchan, thank you. Sister Sharda Bhakti again. Try Vlog Unlimited, thanks Try. Sister Tasty Cooking, thank you sis. Sister Sharda Bhakti and Mr. Jamadagni. Sister Vinaya Kajana, thank you so much. Sister Anu Ansuji, thank you. Sister Gardening is my soul, thank you. Triblog Unlimited. Sister Anu Ansuji. Sister Sharda. New Terrace Gardening and Vlogging, thank you so much. And Sister Super Tinang. So guys, please connect and support my very supportive and generous super chatters and members and new members. Thank you so much and God bless us all. Thank you for watching.